dear friend. Today we will discuss one function of Excel is printing. So how we can do printing of our data. So we will discuss these things. So and one more thing, today is the last day of Excel learning. So today is the 30th day, and after today, I try to make videos on weekly basis. So now let's jump on the our topic. So our topic is printing. So like sometimes if the data is more, so it's not easy to do printing on a one page. So how we can do this thing? Firstly, you have to select your printing area. You have to come in page layout, then printing area, set printing area. Okay, so then you can set the printing area. Like this is the whole data, so you can select here, set printing area. Now just tap the control P, then you get the information here. So here, this is the also function what you want. So here you can click on the page orientation, landscape orientation, and no scaling, actual size. If you want all the column in a one page, so you can just fit all column in one page. So you can do these things here. Okay, and no scaling as per your requirement. You can do these things here, and also you can also do same thing here. Like if I print this one, so on the next page it's showing me data here only, but I want the heading on the next page, on third page, fourth page. So I want a heading. So how can I do this thing? You have to go here, print title, then you have to select print title, so row to repeat of the top. So which row do you want to repeat? This one row, just select. Okay, then control P, use this one. On the first page you see a title here, on the second page you can see same title here till the last page you can see this title. So this is the function of the printing, and there are the so many options you can do as per your requirement. And same thing, you can column to repeat on the left side. If you want to repeat the same column on the left side, so you can use this function also. And this is the printing view. How can you do these things? So let's assume if the printing area is till here, uh, column A to column F, then you can use this option over then down. Firstly print this one, then second page, third page, fourth page. So this is the function as per your requirement. How can you use these things? Thank you so much, my dear friend, and I will try to make videos on weekly basis. Have a good day.